So now I'm going to show you how to divide proper fractions. Now you do this by using a simple technique called the keep, change, flip technique. Let me write it down. Keep, change, right? Flip. Keep, change, flip. Now let's see. We're going to do an example so you can see exactly what is meant by keep, change, and flip. These are the steps. So we're going to use the example of 3/7 divided by a half. Now, let's pay close attention to the keep, change, and flip. As you can see, it's lined up perfectly with our fractions and our operation right here, right? So the first thing we have to do, we have to keep 3/7 the same. Then we have to change our operation from division to multiplication. Then we have to flip our second fraction, which is a half. We have to flip it, and it will become 2/1. 2/1. Then now from here, you can multiply straight across in order to figure out the answer. So let's see what our answer is going to be. So after we do the keep, change, flip, then we multiply straight across. So we say 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And then 7 times 1 is equal to 7. So there you have it. So 3/7 divided by a half is equal to 6/7. Let's do another example. Let's erase this. Let's see. Or other example could be, let's say 5/8. 5/8 divided by 2/3. Let's make it a little more complicated. 2/3, right? So again, you keep the first fraction the same, you change from division to multiplication, and you flip this fraction, which is 2/3, and it becomes 3/2. So let's keep 5/8. Let's change our sign from division to multiplication. Let's flip from 2/3 to 3/2. Now we can multiply straight across. Right? So we can multiply straight across. So we have 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Then we have 8 times 2, which is equal to 16. There you have it. Pretty straightforward. So again, to divide fractions, you use the keep, change, flip method. You keep the first fraction the same. You change the sign from division to multiplication. You flip. You invert, or you turn the second fraction upside down. In this case, it was 2/3. When you turn it upside down, it becomes 3/2. Then you move on to the next step of multiplying straight across. And in this case, you have 5 times 3, which is equal to 15. 8 times 2 equals to 16.